I'll make you my priority, cause you're one of the minorities.
YouTube, what is up? What's good with you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out the Boul Nation. Hope y'all feeling good. Yeah, I'm feeling good, man. For some reason, I'm up. It's like 3 a.m. So I'm like, you know what? I'm up. Let me do a video. But before we get to anything else, like I was saying on the video prior, every like and every subscriber that we get for the rest of the year on these videos, when we donate to charity. So be sure to like the videos, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and share out the videos to, you know, everybody that you know, your mama, your daddy, grandma, grandpa, uncle, aunt, your best friend, your acquaintances, people that you hate, you know, send them out to them. But we got a nice little unboxing here. Got a nice little Amazon box here. So to be honest, I really didn't do too much Black Friday shopping. Like it wasn't really anything that I really needed. Plus, like some of the sales were kind of eh. I mean, like I kind of bought some stuff before Black Friday actually. Then actually on Black Friday, which was kind of funny. But what I have here is like something that I've been needing to get for a while, especially as a YouTuber. So let's see what it is. Ooh, yes sir. Yes sir. Okay. Oh, okay. I'll do more in there. But what we have here is we got a GoPro, baby. GoPro Hero 10. So I was like, I know the 11's out right now and stuff like that, but the reason why I went with the 10 is because one, it's pretty much a little bit cheaper, and it pretty much has similar, you know, specs as the 11. Like for example, it still has like the 5K, 60 frames per second, as 4K, 120 frames per second. The regular like cameras like 23 megapixels, same. As you kind of can see right here on the stats. Yeah, see, but like, what does that say? 10 meters for like water. And then I got GP2 processor. But the reason why like I need the GoPros is because this get some like more better like action shots. And pretty much done like that. Like things I can't get with like this camera, for example, because obviously, you know, I can't really go on. I can't go on the road with this camera. Everything will get messed up, and I'll be able to pay a lot of money. But yeah, like a GoPro is definitely needed for like it could be like YouTuber and everything. Like having a GoPro is even as another camera, because like I said, like it has good like camera qualities. Let's hit with this damn thing. Oh, there we go. Okay, bad. There we go. Okay. But yeah, like even as a YouTuber, just like having like a GoPro with you, and this is like having your cameras and things like that is essential. And this is pretty much like a nice little case that comes in. GoPro, simple, pretty. I mean, the case overall is pretty sturdy. I mean, not like hard plastic or like really solid, but honestly, I like it. So this will be another staple for me when I travel or out and about. But bam, okay. And this is what the inside looks like here. So you got your GoPro. You got some like GoPro like I think it's like the holder. I'm pretty sure this is like. Let me see. Hold on. Let me dissect this, because like I said, normally like when I do unboxing, like this is all new to me. So I really didn't like do 22 runs research. Oh, okay. So this is like, oh, that's nice. Okay, well, okay, this is the charger part, but it's like nice little magnetic. Nice. Okay. The more you know. But yeah, so yeah, this here. Oh, I forgot. Like I bought a bundle. So this came in like a couple of like rechargeable batteries, which as a YouTuber, y'all know having some backup batteries is essential, because you can be recording like for all day. The next thing you know, your battery's low. Like, damn, my battery's low. So you gotta like charge battery up. I'm like, oh, like no, my battery's low. Let me just, I got one charged up already. Bam, but bam, ain't good. So yeah, I say that like that was kind of essential why I did that. That's what we'll do next here. Let's go. Let's see. So we got a couple of holders. Look like. Yeah, we got like screws to, I guess, hold on with the everything in here. Let's see what's this. Okay. Yeah, that's one. What the heck? Okay. But yeah, so, and then we got parts here. What the? Okay, well, as you see, I really didn't do too much research on this stuff, but I'll say it comes with some instructions on, you know, how to put the battery in. I'll wait for this to focus. There we go, baby. All right, so yeah, wait for that to that, and then. Oh, okay. So this is instructions on how to side the GoPro on the thing so you can put on your noggin, and then got manual stuff. But like I said, man, like having a GoPro definitely was essential. It was kind of really overdue for me. But now since I got one, it's gonna be really, really nice. I could definitely get some much better shots for y'all. Like next time I travel, I get like more X shots if needed, or more. There's more angles. Cause I feel like that's kind of what I'm liking the most. It's kind of like just regular angles. It's like just having different kind of, cause like you see usually like they got like cameras like here, there, behind, in front. So you know this right here is this is an investment right here. This is an investment piece for the channel. So pretty much with that being said, I think that's all. Let's see, hold on, I got anything else to unbox? Nah, damn. Yeah, if I said like I said, like I really didn't buy. To be honest, I really didn't buy any else really on Black Friday. Dang, did I? No, I mean, I bought some other stuff, but it's like kind of like essential stuff. It wasn't like anything like, oh yeah, Nate, you know, you've been doing well in life. You know, you've been well. You know, you've been trying to do your YouTube. You've been working. You've been in and out. You know, doing this, doing that. Treat yourself something. Nah, I was like, hey, you know, I need some new sheets, some towels, cleaning supplies. So, but enough of me rambling. If you like this video, get a thumbs up. Like I said, every new scarf that we get for the rest of this year, and every like that we get on the videos is going to be $1 donated to charity. So, like, don't forget to comment as well. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch y'all guys next time.